Hey friends, welcome to another video from the new house. We're here in the living room in a spot that really could use a new accent chair. Let me show you what I mean. Now you can see the new layout of our living room here. We've got a couple of couches, some end tables, a coffee table, but over in this space, we really could use a nice splash of color and an extra seat for a friend. And check it out. I think we may have found something that works really well in this specific space. Let's take a closer look. So this accent chair is made by Actinidia. And as you can see, everything besides this little accent pillow comes directly to your house straight from Amazon. Now the chair does come in this large box. It says to have at least 2 people lift it. As you can see, it comes disassembled, so there is a little bit of assembly required. I'm gonna walk through the instructions to let you know if I run into any problems. Here's a closer look of everything outside of the box. As you can see, there are, again, numerous parts, nothing super complicated, shouldn't take me too long. One of the things to keep in mind is that the cushions are under this compression wrapping. So I'm gonna actually split those open. These will slowly take in air and expand out. Now, assembly actually was pretty easy. I'd say it took me less than 30 minutes. And the instructions are pretty straightforward and simple. Let's give this thing a really close look now, because although I think it actually does a good job, again, as a nice little accent piece, what we really need to see is how well it's made. And then again, the most important thing is it comfortable. So I'm going to give you a really clear camera angle from all sides. We're on the back right now. And this is one of the areas where you can tell that they've skimped on construction. There's a little Velcro flap here, and as you can see underneath, it's really missing this back area, and that's where that extra support and comfort normally comes from when you have a full-scale chair that you purchase from maybe a local furniture store. So do note those couple of areas where there is going to be some degradation in quality. But again, this thing is a really, really nice budget price. You can tell that they've really done their work on adding some of these extra little accents. You can see this kind of beaded area right here and down on the bottom. I think that adds a lot to the character of this chair. You do have some cushions here, both on top and bottom, that again come compressed. And so right now you're seeing this only maybe an hour outside of the bag. Those are going to expand out a little bit more to create a much more comfortable zone. It's got these really nice kind of pegged legs that the chair sits on both sides. The extra little notches and things for the design right here, I think does add a lot of character as well. Now, obviously the biggest question that I had, and probably you do as well, is this thing actually comfortable? Structurally, it feels very supportive. Cushion-wise, it definitely is soft, but this thing is not crazy plush where you sink in and just feel like you could sit and read a book for hours. The comfort level, in my opinion, is maybe 5, 6 out of 10. So don't expect this thing, again, to be the most plush thing you've ever experienced. But comfort-wise, it definitely meets the standard. And I'd say, again, if you're on a budget and you're looking for something to add that kind of pop of color, somewhere in a book nook corner or even a bedroom, I think this offers enough that anybody on a budget would be really, really satisfied. So there you go, friends. There is a closer look at this little accent chair that you can pick up on Amazon. Decent little product. I think it's definitely worth the budget price tag that you can purchase this for. In fact, if you're interested in purchasing it for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. We'll also put some links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that thumbs up if this has helped. Stay tuned. We do a ton of these little product review videos for items you can purchase on Amazon. Subscribe, and we will see you again on the next one.